everybody, how are you? Hope you're all alright. I've got a little Temu haul today. I don't know whether I'll put this out as soon as I've filmed it or whether I'll tag a few more hauls on, because I've got little bits coming. Some are coming by land and some are coming by air, so yeah, as they come I might show you, but I'll pull out what's in this small one and see how long the video is. These are beautiful sort of vintage flowers, and I saw somebody use this sort of thing, and then they painted around the edge in gold and it looked really nice. So there was a little bird on there. Yeah, so just some little stickers. And what's this big packet? What I bought here? Oh, I bought some more foams because I've got some jewel foams that are sort of ballerina, but they're not very deep. You know, the well, it don't give you any height at all. These I sculpt myself, but I wanted to have a go with jewel foams because I've still not mastered it. It still takes a bit of doing, I think, mastering jewel foams. So I thought maybe I'm going wrong because they were a bit flat. So these look like they've got quite a deep well, so I thought I'll have a go with these. So if I do number 5, which is sort of an average size, look how much deeper they, or should I say how deep, because you can't see the other ones. But the other ones are only about half that, and I never seem to get enough height on them. So I thought that might be quite good to get some height when you're doing long ones anyway. Yeah, not much height's okay for short nails, isn't it? But you want them longer for, so yeah. Anyway, I got those. We'll see what they're like. We can but try, can't we? So 140 pieces of them. We'll see. I might still bin them off yet. Oh, stamping plates. There's not a hole without a stamping plate. Oh, it's a big one, as they say. Oh, isn't that nice? It doesn't say do lovely packaging. Or GG, whatever it is. That is really pretty. Wow. Oh, it's got a scraper in as well. Oh, I didn't know they did them. Scraper and... oh, lovely. Because I've got a plaid, tartan, check, whatever you want to call it, and it's not very good. So I thought I'd get a different one. The one I've got, the lines are far too shallow. So I love dogtooth, check me. Oh, love that in suits and things. Yeah, so that's a nice one. It's a nice... what's that? Oh, it's just the backing. I thought there was something else stuck on, but it's got a... look at that. I think their packaging is amazing. Yeah, lovely checks. So we'll give those a try at some point. Should we try them before I go today? Oh, I don't know. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. But that's that one anyway. So that can stay in there and stop it getting scratched. That's that. Get a tray. Wow. Teeny tiny 3D butterflies. They've got iridescent on them as well, but I think they're really pretty. I love the ones that stick up a little bit like that. Yeah, really nice. If you want links to anything at all, let me know. They've got like a gold shimmery middle as well. Oh, I don't know, it looks like AB in the middle. Oh, really pretty anyway. Really pretty. Yeah, if you want links, let me know. And if they're in stock or available, then I'll pop it in for you. So that's that one. So what we've got so far. Foams, stamping, butterflies. Get in. These are just for doing sets on. I do like to see them with the photographs where they're all the same size. So, I don't actually need to open them. I've seen them before. Trace uses a lot of this size, but yeah, finally found some on Temu because I've seen them on AliExpress. I don't like buying on AliExpress. I thought they'd be handy for practising on. Another stamping plate. Oh yes, this is Denim. There's quite a few Denim ones around, but I didn't want to be paying a lot of money because, you know me, with stamping plates, apart from my swirls, which I use all the time, I probably only use these once. But yeah, we've got Denim pockets. It's that Tian Tian. I don't know how you pronounce it. Yeah, there's pockets on. Stitching. That's nice. Do it in the dark and a lighter blue. That'll look nice. Oh, look, I like that for knitting. Very nice. That looks like a zip. Okay, I like that. Stickers. Oh, look. There's quite a few of these now in different ones, but I love this sort of tweedy. This tweedy look. Tweed and pearls. Ah, yeah, I like them. Little patches of tweed. I think they're really pretty. Yeah, lots and lots of different colours available. So I just got that one. Beautiful little flowers. Azalea, I think. Oh, actually, I think I might just added some more of these to my basket. Yeah, really pretty tiny azaleas. Another stamping. Not that I ain't going to draw 4 stamping plates now. I need to order some more of them little plastic bags for them as well. Right, yeah, so this, because what I hate is using a stamping plate and there's only one of the design on it that I'm using, because then you have to keep cleaning it between every nail. But I thought with something like this, if I just wanted like abstract colour against a different background, I can just pick a different bit out of it and sort of scrape the ink down there. And then I'm only cleaning it at the end. I thought it might make a nice abstract set. So, yeah, no particular number to that, but no name, should I say. That's that. Oh, I've got some foils to look at. I've got... What's this? Oh, these are like little shell bits, but probably more for autumn than now, but I thought I'll get them. There's... let's see it better that way up. Get the dust off. So we've got all the autumny golds and things. I thought they'd be stunning, but I get them now while they're there. These I could use now. There's black ones and copper ones. Yeah, but the nice tiny crushed bits. So, yeah, be lovely encapsulated those. Now I'm covered in it. Foils there, what else? Something else in there. A mould, which you've never seen me use a mould, and it kind of set me off when Rebecca made me some little flowers with moulds. I thought I really ought to give it a go, so I've got a couple now to try. Oh, the stick don't come out. And it's those, I looked at them from that way, yeah, just them that you use clear gel with, but they're on a curved. I don't know whether that does make any difference or not. I would imagine everything would just kind of run into the bottom of them, but anyway, I'll give them a try. Put that back in there, keep it clean. Kind of sticks to it. I've done them. Oh, that one. What else? I have, oh, some pretty glitter I must have fancied for some reason. In a tiny pot though. Oh, it is pretty. Oh, it's got them bits in that are all, I don't know what you call them. You know when each individual hexagon's got like spots? I don't know what they mean. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, that caught my eye. That I think that's really pretty. It's different. It's got matte gold and then shiny blue flecks of mylar by the look of things, and then pink hexes. So it's a bit different. Last one. Last one is this, which is a fair size packet, so I'll probably split that in two for putting in my little members packs. I know I've not done the members giveaway thing yet. I did say they were coming now and again. I never put a definite date on, but yeah, been a bit slack. I've not done it this week yet. There's been a lot going off, but I will get there. Yeah, so that's a pink one. I've got some yellows and stuff. And I usually just keep a little bit for me and then split the others with somebody else. So, can you see that dot there? See that dot there on that one? It's got like different hollow inside it. Oh, I don't know if you're picking it up. Yes, so happy with that. Just this one to go. And then I think I will upload this as it is because we're into 10 minutes. Sometimes it's good to have a couple of little shorter videos. Thought these were a bit different. I'm always on the lookout for things a bit different. I don't know, that's white. So it's like muted. As if they've been painted flowers. Yeah. So stand out more against the white background, but I think that's really pretty. It's different. It's different, that one. Again, like lots of shading and marbling. That's pretty, isn't it? That one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got some stuck together. 7. Oh, got some stuck together there. Right, we'll start again. So, bear with. Right, let's do them on this. This is easier. So, yes, really pretty. You can see right through it now, so that's good. The marbly one. Pick little different bits out on that. We have some like autumny flowers, I suppose. With the moon, I think it is supposed to be. Not keen on that one particularly, but it is what it is. Very subtle flowers. Very subtle flowers on that one. What's this one? I can't make out what it is. It's making me think of like pixies, but I'm not quite sure. Fairies, pixies. God, I'd need a magnifying glass to see if it is. I don't know if I'm just making something out of nothing there. Perhaps it's just swirls. And I'm making something out of it. Blue lace, which I thought was nice. Blue and cream lace. Another muted one, but darker colours. Can't see me using that much. I think I'm more likely to use the other one. This one I've not got. This is pink and maroon. So it's quite a nice different mix to what I've normally got, and they're nice. They're nice for autumn nails. Beautiful. Yes, I like that. Anyway, so that's it. So I'll do this video as a standalone because we're on to nearly 15 minutes. So if you want any links for anything, do let me know. just leave me a message in the comment section. I'll try and find them for you. I ain't got time to get all links out for people if you're not bothered about them. So, yeah, just request them. And we'll have a play with these at some point. So, yeah. Lots of videos coming up. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. Click the like, and I will see you next time. Love you. Take care. Look after each other.